Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. And ngayon, tatakal natin yung importance ng very first project natin with Trend with Threads. Okay, so meron tayong social media booster wherein pwede nating ma-monetize yung ating mga social media accounts ng mas mabilis. Okay, so pinakita ko naman dito guys, I have my proof na ginamit ko yung Trend with Threads platform where I used that with my Telegram account. Ayan. And also from my Facebook page and as well as my YouTube channel. And the last one is yung aking baby's YouTube account. So, actually ginamit ko din siya dito sa channel ko kaya naging 9.62k subscribers siya. So, before I used Trend with Threads, yung ating social media booster, nasa almost 8k yung subscribers ko, no? So, ngayon, 9.62k. So, nagbayad ako ng for 1,000 additional subscribers. And, look at my subscribers, hindi siya bumababa. Okay? So, depende sa kukunin natin na package. Okay? Napakamura lang, very affordable. Actually, nung nag-outsource ako ng about this social media boosters, ito yung pinaka-cheap talaga, pinaka-affordable. Okay, and ngayon, sobrang patok na ng AI, especially yung YouTube automation. So, napakadali na lang. Pwede kayo mag-search sa YouTube on how to create YouTube accounts. Ayan, so napakadali na lang, 'di ba? Ang daming mga tools na pwedeng gamitin, lalong-lalo na yung AI. But of course, ang pinaka basic pa din na kailangan natin gawin para ma-monetize yung ating YouTube channel is kailangan natin ng minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 YouTube views. Okay? So, yun, may start ka na ng YouTube partners. Yan yung Google AdSense. Okay? So, medyo mahirap, especially kung hindi mo pa alam na meron palang ganitong booster. Kasi syempre, lalong-lalo na sa Facebook, 'di ba? Babayad pa sila sa nagpapamigay sila ng mga GCash, ayan. And yung talagang ginagawang business yung YouTube, yan, YouTube automation, nagbabayad talaga sila ng mga hundreds of dollars. Okay, hindi nila alam no na meron tayong social media booster na mas mapapabilis yung pag-angat ng inyong social media account, especially sa mga beginners, and most especially ay murang-mura lang. Kasi yung iba nga, nagbabudget dyan ng from $500 every month just to grow their channels. So, with Trend with Threads, hindi mo na kailangan gumastos ng ganong kalaki. Okay, so let me show you some proof. YouTube channel. So, eto siya. Ayan. So, tingnan natin guys. For the past, I think 3 years, from this account, nasa 191 subscribers lang to before I use the Trend with Threads platform. Okay? So, ayan, 1.3k subscribers na. So, meron siyang nadagdag na more than 1,000 na subscribers. So, I have my video here. Less than $10 lang guys. Ito yon. And ayan na. For 1,000 subscribers yun guys. So, napakamura lang and hindi siya talaga bumababa. So, once na umangat na yan, so, depende pa rin yan guys ha. Kailangan nyo pa rin piliin yung product or yung package. Okay, so here is our website, trendwiththreads.com. Ayan, pwede tayong mag-sign in. Alright, so this is, I created an account for my daughter. Ayan, ito siya. So, actually, itong $1 na to, pwede itong makapag-buy ng Telegram subscribers. Okay, so dito, pipiliin nyo lang yung categories. Say, for example, you want YouTube views. So, sa YouTube Shorts kasi, medyo mas malaki yung requirements doon para ma-monetize ka sa 1M yata. Pero sa mismong YouTube na videos mo, okay, only 4,000 hours or views. So, pwede mo gamitin itong ating Trend with Threads platform for that views. Okay? And this is real views. So, real human guys. Okay? Ayan, active human. And monetizable siya. So, eto guys. Ayan, YouTube views. $7.28. So, tingnan natin. Pag i-click ko yan, kasi sobrang dami kasi dito guys. Pwede kang mamili. So, it's up to you na lang. I-explore mo na lang kasi hindi ko rin kabisado lahat. Okay, yung ating provider is talagang bulk order na yan. Nandyan na lahat. So, i-explore nyo na lang. Okay, so ang basta tatandaan lang natin, tingnan natin yung active human or something like non-drop, something like that. Kasi pag sinabing non-drop, hindi na siya bumababa or hindi nag-unsubscribe yung mga nag-subscribe. Okay? Kasi meron dito na instant talaga, na murang-mura lang, pero bumababa siya. Okay? Na-test ko din yan sa other package na binili ko for my Telegram. So, for like 1,000 subscribers or members, nasa $1 or $2 lang siya. Pero, after few days, bumababa siya. So, depende sa budget mo. Okay? So, ito, $7.28 lang for 1,000 views. So, ibig sabihin, so, nakalagay dito, ayan, 275 public watch hours out of 3,000. So, 3,000 lang guys, no? 3,000 hours. And then, dito sa shorts, it's 3 million views. So, yun yung requirements. Okay? Pero, shorts is napakaiksi lang naman nun. So, madali lang din. And sabi ko nga, meron tayong mga AI to use. And YouTube, na pwede mong i-search kung paano gawin yun. And yun, napakadali na lang using AI. But ang pinaka medyo mahirap lang dun is to start monetizing your account. So sabi ko nga, it's a really big help to use this Trend with Threads to start growing your any social media accounts. Okay? So yan, kinonfirm lang natin. So ayun nga guys, napakadali lang, no, napakamura pa. So for just this amount. And by the way, hindi tayo tumatanggap ng mismong US dollar. Sabi ko nga, this is the very first project of Trend with Threads. And para meron na tayong paggagamitan agad ng Trend token natin. So, hindi pa nilo-launch, hindi pa siya tradable actually sa PancakeSwap, but you can start using your Trend. So, meron na siya agad na kumbaga parang value, 'di ba? So, and meron tayong free airdrops by the way, baka hindi nyo alam guys. Okay, start claiming your free airdrops. Punta lang kayo dito, ayan, claim free airdrop. Gas fee lang babayaran nyo, meron na kayong 100 Trend token. Okay? And by the way, kailangan mo lang ng, so punta muna tayo dito sa add funds. Ayan. Okay, and ang only payment gateway natin or payment method natin is Trend token. Pag kinlik mo yan, nandito na yung kung paano ka makapag-avail. So, for those of you, no, available pa rin, but until end of this month na lang, yung ating private sale. Bakit? Kasi ang private sale sobrang mas mura siya, 0.008 lang, but minimum of $100. Okay? So, minimum of $100, meron kang 125,000 Trend token. Contact nyo lang ako. Kaya ito yung ating WhatsApp. Mako-connect na kayo sa ating support or sa Telegram. Click nyo lang yung isa dito. It's up to you. And then, you can chat with me then on how to buy this private sale. But after February 28, tapos na yung ating private sale. Pati yung ating pre-sale, which is 0.001, end na rin by end of February. And then by March 1, ilo-launch natin yung ating staking. And at the same time, so pinag-iisipan ko pa kung gagawin natin 0.01 or 0.005. Okay? Basta guys, depende pa rin no, sa ating raise na funds kung ano yung magiging start na price ng Trend pag nilagyan ko na to ng liquidity sa PancakeSwap. Okay? So, basta hindi siya bababa sa 0.001. Ito yung pinaka-lowest price na makikita nyo dito kay Trend. Okay? Kay Trend token. So, meron pa naman tayong natitirang so, punta tayo ulit dito. Nandito lang lahat guys ha. So, nandito yung ating token pre-sale. Okay? Meron pa tayo. Makikita nyo yung countdown dyan. Meron pang 16 days. Alright? So, kahit magkano man ito guys, yung ma-raise natin na funds, okay? Basta nag-end na yung countdown na to, stop na natin yung 0.001. And nakalagay dito yung listing price natin, but tentative, kumbaga. So, nakadepende sa budget natin. But, one thing is for sure, hindi siya bababa sa 0.001. Sabi ko nga, ito yung pinakamababang amount na makikita nyo kay Trend. Okay? Kaya, it's up to you if you want to buy now, mas malaki yung benefit nyo. Kasi, the next price na makikita nyo dito, it's either 0.005 or 0.01. Okay? So, abang lang kayo. I-update natin dito sa channel. Alright? So, and again, this is the only token or this is a native token na gagamitin natin sa lahat ng trend projects natin. Okay? So, big benefit dun sa mga early holders. Alright? So, if you can accumulate your holdings, gawin nyo na, guys. Alright? So, it's up to you. It's up to you, guys. But, whatever happened, itutuloy natin yung project nito. Alright? This is my lifetime project and this is my dream project. Kaya naman, I will put all my 100% effort and dedication to make this a successful project. So, again, ayan, marami pa tayong ilo-launch. And abangan nyo yung ating staking project by March 1 na po yan. So, sa lahat ng mga nag-buy na, ito, yung mga nag-buy na to, guys, ay pwede nyo nang i-deposit sa by March 1, no, pag nilaunch natin si staking ni Trend. Hindi lang kayo basta nag-hold ng Trend token while waiting for the listing price, but mag-accumulate na yan. So, kung malaki yung hino-hold nyo, say for example, nag-buy kayo sa private sale, meron kayong 125,000. So, pag ano nyo yan sa ating staking, mag-earn yan ng 2% daily. So, can you imagine, instead of just holding your tokens, pwede na siyang mag-generate sa inyo while waiting, di ba? So, napaka big privilege nun. Say for example, meron ka 125,000. Ayan, time is 2% per day. Okay? Yeah, may 2.5 ka daily, 'di ba? So, in 30 days, say for example, in 30 days, in 1 month, so meron kang additional 75,000. So, what if, na lang natin, next na price nito is 0.005. Multiply natin sa 0.005. Yan. So, yung tubo mo, no, in just 1 month, meron kang 375 USDT. I-multiply natin to sa 58 pesos, 'di ba? Sabihin natin 58 per $1. So, meron kang 21,750 na tinubo. Okay? Na by just holding your Trend dun sa ating staking na ilo-launch na natin yan by March 1. And ang great news dun sa staking natin is hindi katulad dun sa mga staking projects na hindi bumabalik yung kapital. Dito, guys, passive income. Yung capital mo, safe na safe pa yun. Siyempre, nakalock yung ating staking, no, for that certain contract. But, ang kinaibahan nito is hindi siya nag-expire or hindi siya na-consume. Bumabalik din yung capital mo plus yung na-generate mo na daily income. Okay? So, napakalupit nito, guys. Ayan, kaya congratulations na agad dun sa mga nag-accumulate or nag-hold ng kanilang mga Trend token. Alright, so again, ayan, very effective yung ating Trend with Threads social media booster. So, and the other way para makapag-buy ng Trend token is through the Launchpad. Ito nga, yung ating pre-sale. So, pwede kayong mag-buy dito. Kung hindi kayo magbabuy sa private sale, so kung dito kayo magbabuy, yung inyong $100, divide natin sa 0.001, yeah, 100,000 Trend token. Pero kung ibabuy nyo sa private sale yan, 125,000. Meron kayong 25,000 na free. But here, you can buy from 1 USDT or 1 USDT worth of Trend token, minimum, or any amount. Pwede kayo mag-buy dito. At least, 'di ba, very affordable. Kung wala kayong $100, so pwede kayo mag-buy ng worth $10, 'di ba? And sabihin na natin kung $10 yan, ang ibabay nyo, i-divide natin sa 0.001. So, meron kang 10,000 Trend token. Okay? Yun, pwede mo na siyang magamit dito sa ating social media booster. Kung hindi naman, i-hold mo lang siya and abangan nyo yung ating staking. Pwede nyo siyang palaguin doon. Okay? Then, for those of you naman na ayaw mag-buy, pwede pa rin kayong magkaroon through the airdrop. So, meron kayong 100. Say, for example, mag-airdrop kayo, no? Meron kayong, kailangan nyo lang dito ng like 16 pesos per claim. Okay? Meron ka 100 Trend token. So, kung mag-claim ka ng, unlimited yan, guys, ha? Kung mag-claim ka 10 times a day, 10 times 100, meron kang 1,000 na trend token, 'di ba? So that's equivalent to that's equivalent to $1. So multiply natin sa 0.001. $1 'yon. So meron kang $1 na claim na pwede mo na siya actually igamitin dito sa ating social media booster, or ipunin mo lang yan 1,000, right? Or palaguin mo kung marami kang pang gas fee, 'di ba? Hanggang mag-accumulate, or kung magkano man ang maipon mo, pwede mo na yan i-stake sa ating trend staking project. So, yun. Pwede kang mag-accumulate at mapalago ang iyong trend token while waiting for the listings. So, and again, this is a lifetime project. So, one step at a time. After the staking, ilo-launch natin yung music NFT project wherein, yun yung play to earn natin na version wherein pwede kang mag-earn ng trend token while listening to music. Okay? And for those artists naman, yung mga mahilig sa music, pwede rin kayong mag-earn by just sharing your recorded songs, 'di ba? So, pwedeng mag-viral 'yan. And I have basta marami akong surprises doon, guys. Abangan nyo na lang. Okay? So, ayan na. Basta once na meron na kayong trend token, katulad nga yan, kung halimbawa nakuha nyo yan sa airdrop, meron kayong $1 or $1 na worth of trend tokens. So, ang gagawin nyo lang kung gusto nyo siyang i-add dito sa inyong account, sa inyong Trend with Threads account, okay? Click nyo lang dito and then add funds, then madadirect kayo dito. So, kailangan nyo siya, guys, i-send dito, no? I-send nyo dito whatever amount you want to send. Yung 1,000 is equivalent to $1. Alright? Kung meron kang 10,000, that's $10. So, say for example, magsisend ka ng 10,000 dahil gusto mong magkaroon ng $10 dito. So, isend mo lang yung 10,000 na trend token dito sa address na to. Okay? And then, ibabouch natin yan. So, make sure na i-screenshot nyo. Okay? Screenshot nyo yan. And then, send dito sa ating customer support. Okay? Don't forget that. Kasi syempre, this is manual payment. So, hindi natin mamomonitor kung halimbawa, nag-send lang kayo agad-agad, di ba? So, paano natin makakonfirm? Since this is part of the pre-sale and ICO ng ating project, so, manual muna tayo. Okay? Soon, pag nilaunch na natin si Trend sa PancakeSwap, pag tradable na siya, direct na magiging payment gateway na natin siya dito. Okay? For now, since hindi pa siya nakalist, manual payment muna tayo. Alright? So, send nyo lang dito. And once na-send nyo yan, screenshot nyo lang yan. And then, contact us here. Send the screenshot and send your username dito kay Trend with Threads. Then, after ma-verify, makikita nyo na yung funds nyo available dito sa inyong mga wallets. And once meron na kayong funds dyan, pwede na kayong mag-order. Okay? So, for those of you naman, no, kasi syempre hindi lahat ay aware na sa crypto, ang requirements lang, guys, just download MetaMask wallet, okay, like this, yan, or Trust wallet, or any Web3 wallet, SafePal, Token Packet, MetaMask, ayan, Trust wallet. So, yun, mag-download lang kayo doon, mag-create ng wallets, and then, after that, so, yun, punta lang kayo sa inyong mga MetaMask wallet, and make sure nasa BNB Smart Chain siya. So, here's your wallet address. I-copy nyo lang yan. Okay? Or fund your wallet addresses ng BNB or USDT. And yun, pwede na kayong mag-claim through the Launchpad or pre-sale. Okay? Say for example, meron na kayong USDT dyan. Ayan, USDT and then $10. So, connect wallet, syempre. Kailangan nyo i-connect yung wallet and then yun, makakapag-buy na kayo. Okay? Pwede nyo rin i-add to MetaMask ang inyong ang trend sa inyong MetaMask wallet. Okay? Pindutin nyo lang yan and then add token. So, yun. Ma-add na siya dito. Alright? That's how you do it, guys. And I hope makaabot pa kayo. There's still like 2 weeks to avail this cheapest price. Alright? Of trend token. So, that's all for now, guys. And I hope updated kayo. So, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And of course, join din kayo sa ating Telegram channel kasi doon tayo nag-update lagi. And that's all for now. And I'll see you again in the next one. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye!